Hello everyone, welcome again. My name is Gagan. I am from Junior Coders Education. Today I'll come up with a new program from Matplotlib where I will show you how to plot the graph. Today I have taken an example of five subjects: English, Maths, Physics, Chemistry, and Biology, and marks also given in another array. So there are two arrays. One is subjects and respectively the marks array, which shows the marks of respective subjects on their given index. Here with this function, we are passing the subject array, marks array, and the color of the bar, which is red. And X label, Y label, we are mentioning the title. And title of the main title of the this bar graph is marks of 5 subject, and on X label it's subject, on Y label it is marks, and with this line we are showing the graph. So let me run the program. So you can see on the x-axis the subjects are mentioned: English, Maths, Physics, Chemistry, and Biology. And on the y-axis, the 0 to 100 marks point are given. English we have 65, so it's lying between 60 and 80. In Maths we have 90, so above 80 bar line. Then in Physics we have 69, and then in Chemistry 65, and Biology it is exactly 80, which is meeting this line. So this is a separate window which opens up with the Matplotlib function, show function, basically for displaying the chart. I hope you like this video. Thank you.